Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
You don't normally feel them thing about that one, yeah. The one I make me stop. Now I'm alive. You can't imagine how the fuck this happened. Excuse the language. You see how much fucking car in this? People when they approach intersection with other cars, it's easy. Me don't know how the racket is happening. How much car is this? One bus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 racket car. How this happen? How this happen? Me not get it. When I approach at this intersection, stoplight, easy. Through it and stop blow through stoplight with a.
Yo, this is insane. Wow, this is. How much car is? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. What? The accident has happened right across the entire.
Alright viewers and subscribers, what I just saw a while ago is a 7-car collision, an accident that actually took place right at the intersection of Molynes Road and Washington Boulevard. You know that intersection where a ball field is right there, the gas station is over there, food place is here, and a community is here, so yeah. So that's where this accident actually took place, you see me? So there has been reports of no fatality and 2 persons injured and rushed off to the hospital, you see me? And those are reports that are from the constabulary force, and they are there doing their investigation and so on, and you don't know, so the DancehallSkilla will keep on up to date and posted, and make you know what really and truly are going on, you see? Well, you don't know, me only just keep on up to date and posted with things that really and truly are going on, in and around the world, especially of Jamaica. The DancehallSkilla set his thing. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and always read the comments for updates on each post, because there are information that can be left from viewers and subscribers that is very informative, as well as I myself can say something in the comment section to let you know what's happening to pertaining to what I just saw on a video. Alright, my name is DancehallSkilla. Wanna big up on yourself, yeah, my people. You see it.